This is Becky being a loser. The same wife you left 3 months ago. Caitlin. Say dad.
She told you to eat shit.
Say dada. Say dada.
Give me kisses for daddy. Give mommy kisses for daddy. Give me daddy kisses. Give me daddy's kisses.
Ah, wait. Good kisses.
Bah! Bah! Bah!
Kick Mama in the face.
Go get on your horse or your chair or something.
Kick Mama in the face.
Go away. Go away.
You got me begging you for mercy. Yeah, yeah. You better quit crawling, you little baby.
You
Caitlin.
want some of this? You want some of this? What?
Give Daddy some kisses. Such a loser.
Caitlin. Give daddy kisses. Give daddy kisses.
Aw, wee.
Give daddy more kisses.
Aw, that's so nice, Caitlin.
You taking daddy with you? Where are you and daddy going? You swinging daddy around? Yeah. Yeah? Give him kisses. Give daddy kisses.
Aw, that's so nice.
Thank you. Give daddy kisses. Give daddy kisses. Give him kisses. Okay. Go ahead. Dance.
Smoke break.